So and Eric Weinstein, he's a big poobah with Lex Friedman and Elon Musk, who's kind of a schmuck too. Smart, I like Elon, but he's a schmuck. Elon Musk, he's putting all his money into rockets, and he's going a little bit crazy. He's a little bit meshuggah. You know, when you see he talks on his tweets, sounds worse than Trump ever was. You know,
he's going to be boxing Mark Zuckerberg.
And when he wants to box, I mean, box a little.
Would
Jewish
you box Eric Weinstein?
No, I'm 84 years old. I can't. Yeah, if I was maybe 24, I would. Fuck. That's stupid. You know, they're stupid. They're smart in many ways, but they're stupid in many other ways. Okay, and that's why I'm saying Sarfatti Space Corporation is going to kick the ass of SpaceX. Because we're going to show that and then you should use the graphics. Now we're going to show that all the rocket technology that SpaceX is using, it's brilliant engineering, great. You know, the thing comes down and lands. That's all, but we don't need any of that. It's dumb. It's you know, it's you want to get to Mars, like crawling on your knees to get to Mars. We'll get to Mars in what, a half hour? We'll get to Mars. You step through the warp drive. Yeah. You get there, and maybe through a wormhole. You may just step through the doorway, like in Doctor Who, and you wind up here on Mars.
How do we go through a wormhole?
We just walk through it. How do you go through? You walk through it.
How do we make one?
Well, how do we make one? That's what will work. That's what the experiment. Yeah, I want to put speed bumps.
That's Sam in his Lamborghini. He just
no. That's some asshole in a motorcycle. But the point is this: that the experiment that they're going to do at Lawrence Livermore, testing that equation, is the first step toward making a wormhole. If that works, then we now. If it doesn't work, we have to go back to the drawing board, see why it didn't work. So it's manipulating the fabric of space-time. Anything you warp, you change the shape of the gravitational field, so it's a wormhole.
So they're going at Lawrence Livermore. They're going to test your equation.
Yeah, they test one of the. They're testing one.